In many programming languages, you have seen Hindi fonts are there. You might be thinking, is it possible to display those fonts or those alphabets inside the Python? Yes, it is possible. For this purpose, you have to use Unicode. Unicode stands for Universal Code. Now, if I want to display here R in Hindi, so here we can see the code 090 is here, and then I can take 5 here. So the value of R in Unicode is 0905. Now let's see. Now here I am writing \U for Unicode, and number was 905. So it starts with 0. So 0905. If I press enter key, you can see the R is written here. If I want another character, let's see here. Other than this, I am writing here \U and then 0924. Let's see what is the character. I think it is the. So let's press enter key and confirm what is the character. So here A and ta. So like this, for every alphabet there is a code which can be used. There are so many string functions are available in Python. String functions means they are ready-made functions which can be used directly, which can be applied on string variable. Like here capitalized, is alpha, is digit, is num, is space, is upper, and so on. So instead of displaying and telling you the syntax of each and every function, I'll demonstrate the use of those functions through programming. In this example, I am writing the value of S as Bhilai, all in lowercase letter, and I want to convert the first character of the given string as uppercase letter. So I can write in this way, and you can see the output here. The first character is converted into uppercase letter. So that is the use of the function capitalize. Now through this example, let us see the use of few functions. Now here I am defining a string and accessing each and every character by using a loop. So I am writing here for C in S, and here I am checking if it is uppercase letter, U will be incremented. If it is lowercase letter, L will be incremented. If it is digit, then D will be incremented. If it is a space, then SP will be incremented. So initially here U, L, D, SP are 0. So I want to count in the given string how many uppercase letter, how many lowercase letter, how many digits, and how many spaces are there. Let's run this program and see. Here 3, 3, 3, and here it is 4. So number of spaces here, this is 1, 2, 3, and after string also 1 space is there. Is alpha function is used to check whether the given string is having only alphabet or not. So here if I write string.isAlpha, it is true. If I write the number here, it becomes false. Let's see the example here. That's correct. Is alnum function is used to check whether the given string is having alphabet or number or both. So if I write here ABC and if I press enter key, it is true. If I store only numbers, it is true. If I store numbers and alphabets, again it will be true. But if I store any other character than the alphabet and the number, say at the rate, and the result becomes false. Now upper function is used to convert the given string into uppercase letter. You can see the example here. The string is today is Friday written in lowercase letter, and upper function is converting into uppercase letter. In case if you apply uppercase in uppercase letter, here it will remain the same. Now let us see here, today is Friday. Here today is written in uppercase letter. So if I apply here lowercase lower, then see the string is today is Friday coming in lowercase letter. There is another function swap case. So if I apply here, you can see here today is written in capital letter and Friday is written in small letter. So if I use here swap case, you can see here today is coming in lowercase letter. So whatever is in uppercase letter is converted into lowercase letter, and if something is written in lowercase letter, will be converted into uppercase letter. That is the use of swap case. There is a function title. So we can use the function title to convert the first character of every word into uppercase letter. Now you can see the example. Today is Friday is written in lowercase letter, and if I apply the function title, you can see today T is an uppercase letter, I is an uppercase letter, on Friday F is in uppercase letter. If I want to check whether it is written in this way or not, so I can use the function here is title to check whether the string is written in this format or not. Now you can see it is false. But if I write here the T is in capital letter, here I is in capital letter, and Friday F I write in capital letter, and I want to check is it in title style, is title, and the answer is true. Now let's see the use of starts with. Here the string is given today is Friday, and I want to check whether this string it starts with today or not. So I'm writing here starts with within quotes within bracket today, and it is true. If I write here is it starting with is, and the answer will be false. Ends with function is used to check whether the given string is ending with the given substring or not. In this example, string is today is Friday, and I want to check whether the given sentence is ending with Friday or not. So I'm checking here ends with, and yes, it is true. But if I write here is it ending with FRI, and the answer will be false. Now let's see this example. The use of here is split and partition. Most of the students are confused what is the difference between partition and split. So let's see here. My sentence is today is Friday, and I'm splitting with space. Now you can see here it is divided into three parts. So today here is one word, after space next word is, after space next word is Friday. So it is splitting the given sentence on the basis of space. But if I write here is, now see here today is Friday. Partition here, see today is Friday, and if I write here partition space today, space is another word, and then remaining word here is Friday. Next example, you can see here today is Friday, and I'm checking where here partition I want to do with on the basis of, now see here today is Friday, and partition is done on the basis of is, and you can see here today is Friday. So there are three words. Now let us see, use the function here split to see the difference. So split, and if I'm writing here this, now difference is clear. Today is Friday, here partition is on the basis of is. So is also a part. One is today, next is, next is Friday. But if I use split function, before split today is there, after split Friday is there, but is not available in the list. Now here there is a sentence today is Friday, and if I want to confirm through my method or a function whether is available in the given sentence or not, so I can use function find. Syntax is string dot find within bracket within quotes. You can give the word, and you see this is starting from index number 6. If I write here, let's see m is available or not. So here -1 is returning. -1 means this string is not present. If I write here, another function is replace. So let's see how to use this. Sentence is today is Friday. What I want here is Friday should be searched in the given string, and if it is available, it should be replaced by Saturday. So the moment I press enter key, now see here the sentence becomes today is Saturday. Count function is used to count how many times the given text is present in the given string. Now here be home, be safe, and I want to count how many times B has come in the given string. So let's count here, and 2 times it has come. If I write here say B E, whether it is present or not, 0 means this string is not available. Next syntax is here count I want. it is starting from 0 index. Now I want to count after 5th index of the given string how many times b has come, and I will get the answer 1 here, because first b is starting with 0 index and next is starting after index 5, so there is occurrence of only 1. Let's see the use of join function. So here I am writing join, the value is 1 2 3 written within quotes, and I want to insert comma after every digit. So here is the example. When I press enter key, here you can see the value string here is 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma. This is an example of list. Here two values are given, one is HTML, next is SQL, and when I press enter and the comma is inserted, you can see the final string is HTML comma SQL. Now let us see here, I am using arrow key, and now you can see the output. When I press enter key, single quote string is here HTML, then arrow is joining, and the next value is SQL. So this way the join function works. A part of a string can be extracted by using lstrip. So you can see here the sentence is today is Friday, and I want to terminate, or you can say truncate. I just want to truncate from the left hand side today. So I write here lstrip today and just press enter key and see your string now is Friday only. But if I write here day, which is not starting from the left hand side, so nothing will happen, the string will remain as it is. Another function is here rstrip. So from the right hand side you can extract or you can truncate the value here. Let us see, today is Friday, so if I write here Friday, which is ending word, so from the left hand side, and for this purpose I am removing this dot here, so it is ending with Friday, and I want to remove the word Friday from the given string. So rstrip Friday, press enter key, and now string becomes today is, so it is truncated. If I write here only day, you can see what is the output. So just press enter key and see here today is Friday, the day is truncated. But if I write here only fry and the word is fry, and in a sentence today is Friday, it is not ending with fri, so this will be inactive, it will not work. Now see here all string functions or methods which are available for a string we have completed. Now here is assignment for you. So you can see the question, note down the questions from screen and then solve all the questions and submit your solutions on my email ID or on my WhatsApp number.